Let's turn to Donna Breeze with our zombie forecast. Donna, are we going to want to go out this weekend?
Well, Ron, if you're planning on going out, Saturday night you might want to take your cricket bat with you. Best for giving any shambling zombies a good whack who might cross your path. And let's look at the map. The west side is looking pretty quiet tonight, with just a hint of a few sightings, and zombie presence is relatively low. But the east side is a bit of a different story. We're seeing scattered zombies along the river, and the low pressure system is driving the scent of the zombies, and we're seeing more sightings. So some larger clusters of zombies spotted on the edge of downtown. You might want to think twice about venturing out. And let's look at the Doppler forecast. We see zombies moving west towards Rockford. Doesn't look like we'll see any of them. But Schaumburg is reporting some activity that zombie front is moving pretty slowly, so we might not see the effects until next Wednesday or Thursday. But let's take a look at my 5-day forecast. Tonight we're seeing scattered zombies. Might see a few outbreaks here and there, but I'm giving tonight 2 cricket bats. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday looking relatively clear. And then Wednesday, Thursday, we might begin to see some more larger breakouts. But I'm also giving Wednesday 2 cricket bats, and then Thursday I'm giving about 5 cricket bats. And we could actually see some heavy zombie activity. So back to you, Ron.
Thank you, Donna.